Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss effective proportional model checking, and also we'll see with a simple program. This effective proportional model checking, here we are following a simple scenario of an agent, which is a cleaning agent. Here it cleans the dining table. What are the rules? It will open the arms for cleaning, but it will close the arms if it finds a flower vase. Let's say vase already. Okay. This is a simple rule which we are trying to follow. This is simple proportional model which we are going to check. Now here we are going to discuss one program, class proportion.py. Let me explain the program, then we can navigate to the program. Okay. What is the here? What are proposition statements from the robot? Near was if it is true, it works with if it is true or false. Okay. Arms extended or not, true or false. What is the formula? What is safe action? Is not. If nothing is there, then robot is safe. Arms are not extended, near the was, else print a warning. So, if it is in the near the was, if arms are not extended, let me give false here. Okay, let me open the command prompt. If it is near the was, if the arms are not extended, so it is safe, right? So let me run that again. What will give? Robot is safe, arms are not extended. Okay, let me run one more scenario. So let us take this is a true and true. What will happen? It is near the was and arms are extended. So there is an issue here. Okay, now let me run the Python class warning. Robot's arms might knock the vase. Be careful. Let us take false and false. Okay, though near was it is not there, worms are also not extended. Okay, let me now run it. So robot is safe. Now let me go to the program again. So false and true. So was near was it's there, but answer extended means it is cleaning the floor. Let me run it. So arms will not be extended. So near the waist, robot is safe. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.